continue with folding the simple holly. For this, you will need a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters for a leaf, and another piece of paper that is 10 by 10 divided in 4 quarters, and the last quarter is also again divided in 4 pieces of paper. So let's start with folding the green piece. We will fold it on both diagonals, so on one diagonal open it, and on the other and now we'll open it, and we'll bring this bottom point of the paper up to the middle of the paper like this, and again we will fold it in half. So bring this bottom line of the paper and align it with the middle line like this and press it down. And now we turn our paper and do the exact same on the other side. So bring this bottom point of the paper up to the middle of the paper and fold this part of the paper again in half. Like this. Now we'll fold our paper again in half. We already have a line on it. And just press it down. Now we will open it and we'll fold our paper on this line. So here where we have a crease upwards, start from here and fold it like this through the center. So half through the center, press it down. And now on this center we'll just bring this piece of paper a little bit upwards and press it down. So the green part of the holly is already folded. Let's start with the red circles. So we'll take one circle and we'll bring the corners of it a little bit inwards. So on one side and other, on the third corner and on the last one. And now we'll do this on the rest of the squares. So bring the corners in. And on the last one. And now if you want, just take a glue and assemble everything together. Like this. And we made a simple paper bell with a holly. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!